Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Sandals Grand St Lucian Spa and Beach Resort. Now this particular category is a Caribbean Beachview club level walkout. Let me show you the room. As soon as you walk in the door to the left, you're gonna find the restroom. So right here you have a large double vanity, a magnifying mirror, and a backlit mirror here as well. Extra towels underneath as well as a scale. Now you'll see you have your full-size bath amenities from the Red Lane Spa. If you want to check out the Red Lane Spa or any of the public spaces here on the resort, the pools, the beach, the restaurants, make sure you check out our full resort tour as well. Now just around the corner here, you're going to see that you have a walk-in shower. So it's plenty big, it's a nice size. You've got one shower head here and a perfect little nook to put those full-size amenities away. Just across from the bathroom, you're gonna find your storage area. So you've got plenty of hanging storage. The first of those club level amenities, you've got your extra comfy robes. You're gonna have an ironing board, extra pillows, blankets, towels. You're also gonna have a full-size safe, big enough for a laptop, your golf umbrella, and your hair dryer as well. Continuing on, now we're in the bedroom area. So I mentioned that this is club level. Of course, as soon as you arrive, you're gonna bypass the standard check-in. You'll head right up to the Club Sandals lounge. You can utilize their services throughout. So it's a really nice space. You can see that on our full resort tour as well. But they're there to take care of reservations, answer any of your questions, or help in just about any way that you can imagine. In addition to that, it's a little bit like your own extra living room. Now another one of those amenities is the full-size liquor bottles that you'll see here. You're also going to have a coffee maker and tea kettle. They have coffee and tea, and they'll replenish it throughout your stay. Just underneath, you're going to find your mini fridge fully stocked with beer, wine, water, soda, and juices. Now here you'll find your large king-size bed, one of those standards that you'll always find at Sandals. There's a fan up above. I really appreciate that. You have the air moving when you sleep. You've got your phone over on one nightstand, and on the other one, you're gonna have a Bluetooth speaker with a couple extra USB chargers. Now I found that a lot of the plugs in the room here are UK plugs, which makes sense. We're in St. Lucia. I always bring a couple extra adapters so that I can utilize them throughout my stay. Directly across from the bed, you're gonna have a large flat panel TV. It is interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the resort, in addition to watching television. Now here you're gonna have a writing desk. They've got a little stool that pulls out. Right behind it, you're also gonna see you have two US plugs, you've got more UK plugs and USB chargers. So this is really your charging hub. One of those other club level amenities is the in-room dining. So your in-room dining menu is right here. You can take advantage of that from early in the morning until later in the evening. Now over here you have a small seating area. This is that perfect place to take advantage of some of that in-room dining. You see they have it set up for guests to arrive in a bit. They're gonna have champagne on ice as they always do. They love to set these demos up for us so you can see exactly what you're gonna receive. You also have a reading chair tucked into the corner, and let's head outside to see what that beach view is all about. Now I wanted to take you all the way outside so you can get a good view of the patio of the walkout. So you've got your table and two chairs right here. It's that perfect place to take advantage of that in-room dining menu, maybe a cup of coffee or tea in the morning, a glass of wine or a cocktail in the evening. But what's so great about this is you're already there. You take a couple steps down, you can head right down to the beach here or enjoy anywhere in the resort. You also have a drying rack right there, so when you head right up from the pool, you can put your towel and suit right there to dry off. But when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any at Sandals or Beaches Resorts, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with Sandals and Beaches Resorts, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, group, wedding party, or honeymoon at an incredible value.